Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to claim your Silver Play Button award.
And to love you and the stars up to four.
Last November 15, 2022, I have already reached the 100,000 subscribers for my YouTube channel. And that was at 11:58 p.m. After you have reached the 100,000 subscribers for your YouTube channel, the YouTube Creators Award or the YouTube support team will send you a message through your Studio app dashboard. So here are the steps that you have to follow to claim your Silver Play Button award. The first step is to sign in with your YouTube channel account. Second step is to go to your YouTube Studio. Third is to find your unique redemption code in the banner notification. The fourth step is to type in your code on the Creator Awards redemption website. The fifth step is to include shipping info and specify how you want your channel name to appear on the award. And lastly, you'll get a confirmation email with your tracking info once your award ships. So there are two options for you to choose on how to claim your Silver Play Button award. So first, you have to go to the YouTube support team website, and there you can see on how to contact them. It's either through email or through chat. Ako, mas prefer ko nga i-chat kay para mas madali ta guys. Kay kung magpa-email ka, maabtan patag sunod Pasko. Okay? So, mauna niya ako ang i-chat guys. Iyon ko, hello ma'am, I have reached 100k subscribers. I want to apply for Silver Play Button Award. Unya, take note sad mo guys na dili pa sabot 100k subscribers na pa-automatic makadawat ka dayon og Silver Play Button Award. Mura ra ni siyang mga play kag trabaho no, daghan pag chichiburitche. Moagi pa mo og screening guys. As you can see, sa i-reply karon ni Ma'am Ray. Okay, niingon siya, hi there, congratulations on reaching such an incredible subscriber milestone on YouTube. We appreciate your interest in getting your Creator Award. Let me help check this for you. So, mana na guys, ahong ipasa niya ang link sa ako ang YouTube channel para mas dali niya ma-check ang akong YouTube channel kung naka-reach na pagyud ko og 100k subscribers. And also, ila po na i-check ang ako ang mga videos kung ako mo dyan ng mga original contents o dili na sila mga re-upload videos from the other content creators. Niya guys, kanina si Ma'am Ray, tinuod ni siya nga human being, dili ni siya computer system nga ni-reply ninyo. This is the exact employee from the YouTube company that you are chatting with or that you are talking with. Okay? Kasi mo ingon mo nga, kung ano na yun, computer system na yung mong kausap nga na, dili guys, human being na siya guys, dili na siya robot or alien. Okay? So, diriya guys, nag-reply na si Ma'am Ray og I have already checked and confirmed your YouTube channel that you have reached 100k subscribers yesterday. Congratulations again for that. So, when a channel passes a Creator Award subscriber threshold, we automatically review the channel against our Creator Award eligibility criteria. So, just to share with you, our reviews can take up to 10 days. So, magwatad guys og 10 days para sa atong code, redemption code na need na to i-confirm or i-butangad to sa ato ang Silver Play Button Award info para maklaim na nato siya. So, reply dayon ko og okay ma'am, thank you so much. O, diba? Humana atong problema. So, confirm na niya. What na lang ta sa code, guys, for 10 days. Hopefully, tinuod yun na nga 10 days ra no atong huwatan. Wa ko sure, ani, kung 10 days ra ba siya katagalon, ani. Basig maabtan pa po nig duha ka tuig, guys. Pero sagdi na lang, basta At least na-confirm na taniya no na 100k subscribers na dyan ta. Thank you Lord. Thank you so much for the blessing. And to my subscribers, thank you so much for supporting my channel all the way from scratch until right now. Thank you guys. You are the best. You have no idea how much you guys made me happy. So don't forget guys, if you're new here on my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button below and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Bye! See you in my next video guys. Mwah, 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 mwah. Tuk, 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 tuk.
Baby shampoo, come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up to it.